perhaps one of the biggest disruptors of our times. Everyone is talking about it. No wonder it's become such a hot topic. For those of you who are still not familiar with it, it's a large language model developed by OpenAI. It's based on GPT. Now what does GPT mean? GPT means Generative Pre-trained Transformer Architecture, which is based on a massive data set of text taken from the internet. It allows ChatGPT to understand and generate human-like text in a wide variety of contexts. What's remarkable is in the manner in which it generates this text in a coherent and contextually relevant way. It makes it possible for ChatGPT to write text, to summarize text, to answer questions, to do language translations. I mean, there are so many possibilities. ChatGPT is available to developers through OpenAI's API, which allows users to easily integrate the model into their applications. It opens a lot of possibilities for applications in which ChatGPT can be used, such as chatbots, virtual assistants, language translation, text summarization, and a lot more. A lot of speculation is going on at this moment if ChatGPT is going to replace Google. However, it's difficult to predict at this moment because it will depend on a lot of variables, including the way technology will be integrated into various products and services. In the current state of things, it looks unlikely that ChatGPT or any other technology will replace Google because Google offers a lot of products and services which are not going to be easy to replace, such as emails, cloud storage, search, and a lot more. It's important to mention here that ChatGPT and other language processing technologies have strong potential to significantly improve and enhance the capabilities of search and voice assistance. There's no doubt that ChatGPT is a revolutionary tool and is going to completely disrupt the marketing industry. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the major impact it's going to have on the communication and marketing industry and how it's going to change our industry completely. As I enjoy this yummy Hardee's burger, let me tell you that Evox Marketing and PR, we offer a comprehensive solution in terms of digital marketing and all other technological solutions that you may require.